In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust quantity on hand in QuickBooks Desktop. If you've recently completed a physical inventory count and noticed that the quantities in QuickBooks don't match what you actually have in stock, this process will help you correct those numbers properly. Keeping your inventory accurate is important because it affects purchasing, reporting, and the overall value of your inventory records. To begin, open the Adjustment window in QuickBooks Desktop. Go to the top menu bar, then select Vendors, choose Inventory Activities, and click Adjust Quantity or Value on Hand. This is the area where QuickBooks allows you to update inventory counts without needing to create a sale or purchase transaction. Once the window opens, the first thing you'll want to do is set the adjustment details. In the Adjustment Type drop-down menu, choose Quantity. This tells QuickBooks that you are only changing the number of units on hand, not the value. Next, enter the adjustment date. You can use today's date, or if you're entering results from a physical inventory count completed earlier, use the date of that count. Using the correct date helps keep your reports accurate and makes it easier to track when the adjustment was made. After that, choose the adjustment account. This should be the expense account you use for inventory shrinkage or inventory adjustments. In many cases, that's a cost of goods sold account. Selecting the right account is important because it determines where the financial impact of the adjustment is recorded. Now you're ready to select the items that need to be updated. Click. Find and select items if you want to choose products from your existing inventory list. This is especially helpful if you're adjusting several items at once. If you prefer, you can also enter items manually in the Item column. Once your items are listed, enter the corrected quantities. In the new QT column, type the actual quantity you counted on hand. QuickBooks will compare that number to the current quantity and calculate the difference for you. If you already know the exact amount of the adjustment, you can enter it directly in the QT difference column instead. Just remember that decreases should be entered as negative numbers, such as -2. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly review the items, dates, and quantities to make sure everything looks right. When you're finished, click Save and Close. That's it. Your inventory quantities on hand will now be updated in QuickBooks Desktop, helping you keep your records accurate and up to date.